Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Skoda Smartlink. First, confirm your smartphone is compatible with the system. Next, use a certified USB cable to connect your phone to the car's USB port. Then, power on your car's infotainment system and select the Smartlink option from the main menu. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once you've selected Smartlink, the system will guide you through activation. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts, which may include accepting terms and conditions. It's important to grant all necessary permissions on your smartphone when prompted, as these allow the car to access your phone's features. This step ensures full functionality. After activation, you'll typically choose between Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on your phone. Select the appropriate option on the car's display. Your phone will then ask for confirmation. Accept this to establish the link. If the connection doesn't work immediately, try disconnecting and reconnecting the USB cable. Patience is key here. For optimal performance, always keep your smartphone's operating system updated to the latest version. Using a high-quality, original, or certified USB cable is also vital for a stable connection. If you encounter persistent issues, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. These simple steps often resolve common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.